So this is Speaks Weaver, and as you can see, he's nest building. He's one of our resident weavers, sometimes nesting in colonies of hundreds of birds. He's starting with the ring, and then he'll finish off by making sort of an upside down basket in the tree with the entrance on the underside of the nest, in typical weaver bird fashion. Here's Class's cuckoo, the male Classes. He's sitting up on top of an acacia tree and he's calling, territorial call. Next we have one of our more familiar birds, the most fantastic, the spectacular, superb starling, very resident and often in the garden, wandering around. Very beautiful bird. Common bulbuls, lovely pair of them, sunning themselves in the morning. Also a very common resident bird, cheeky fellow, often will come onto your breakfast table and pinch some cereal or some of your fruit salad. This is green spotted or emerald spotted wood dove, whichever. You can see the lovely iridescent green spots on his wing feathers, also sunning himself early morning. This guy, big bird, he's called a white-browed cuckoo, and another name for him is a bottle bird. When he calls, it sounds something like water flowing out of a bottle. Have a listen. Pretty cool, hey? Lastly, on the grasslands right behind our camp, the most spectacular eagle of them all, the martial eagle. He's a huge bird, one of Africa's biggest eagles, and preys on our guinea fowl and our spur fowls. Will take small mammals like galagos and hyraxes. Very spectacular eagle.